We're gonna learn a word today that has blood in it but has nothing to do with blood. Also, maybe it has. So today's word in Master Azerbaijani word of the day is Qanı qaralmaq. Qanı qaralmaq. Qanı qaralmaq, to feel down, to get upset, to become sullen. Let's see some phrases. To feel down suddenly. To get upset upon hearing the news, meaning cause of the news. To become sullen and depressed. See how they are long? But in Azerbaijani, much. Birdən qanı qaralmaq. Birdən, suddenly. Xəbərə görə, cause of the news, upon hearing the news, qanı qaralmaq. Sifəti, asılıb, qanı qaralmaq. Now, qanı qaralmaq, qan is blood, qaralmaq, to darken. Continue listening if you want to hear more. So, literally means your blood darkens, but that's figurative way of saying it. It just means you become depressed, sullen, feel down, to be upset. See, over here we have another fun way of saying it. Sifəti, asılıb. So if you translate it literally, sifat is the face, asılmaq is to hang. So it doesn't sound okay when you literally translate parts of the phrase, right? But together it just means to become sullen and depressed. Let's use this in some sentences. Xəbəri eşidəndə onların qanı qaraldı. When they heard the news, they got upset. See, qanı qaralmaq is infinitive form. Now we gotta turn it into the form that we need here. We wanna drop the maq, which is to, and we wanna give it the right tense. In this case, it's past tense. Qaraldı. Xəbəri eşidəndə, when they heard the news or upon hearing the news. Onların qanı qaraldı, they got upset. Qanı qaraldı. Now, let's see another one. Birdən qanı qaraldı və heç kimlə danışmadı. Suddenly, he or she became sullen and spoke to no one. Birdən, suddenly, we already know this. Qanı qaraldı. He or she, we don't know here. It's not really important. You will just know it from the context once you really use it in some context. Became sullen və and heç kimlə, with no one, to no one, danışmadı. Means did not speak, because we have to know no one. We don't need to say did not to speak. Or if you want to say, you can say did not speak to anyone. But spoke to no one is a better way of translating it. All right? That was today's word, qanı qaralmaq. I have my way of using it. Because remember, in the previous sentences, the examples that I gave you, we talk about someone else. Let's use this one for ourselves. Qanım qaraldı. My qanım, technically my blood darkened. Qanım qaraldı. The Wi-Fi dropped again. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for the last word of the week, and then we're going to do recap. Cheers.